Let's go to a live news event right now. A media conference being given by the Egyptian Civil Aviation Minister and the head of the investigation into the Russian plane crash. Listen in.
The armed forces guarded the site of the wreckage. The flight recorders, black boxes, were recovered on the same day, and the bodies of the victims were recovered and taken to hospitals in Cairo. On the same day of the accident, the Minister of Civil Aviation of Egypt formed an investigation committee in compliance with the Egyptian law number 28 and ICAO Annex 13 to take the charge of the investigation of the accident. The government of Egypt extended invitations to representatives from Russia as state of operator, Ireland, state of registry, France, state of design, and Germany, state of manufacture. And advisors from engine manufacturers and from Airbus. Myself, I represent Egypt in leading the Technical Investigation Committee. Egyptian Air Force operated 5 flights to the crash site, carrying various members of investigation team, including Egyptian investigators and all other state investigators involved. The investigators examined and photographed what was found, including recording the coordinates of each major piece. It is planned that the committee will conduct further visits to the accident site in the incoming days. The investigation team are composed of 47 investigators as follows. From Egypt, we have 29. From Russia, 7. From France, 6. From Germany, 2. And from Ireland, 3. The accident advisors from Airbus are 10. From the EASA, 1 advisor. This comes to a total of 58 participants in this investigation. To meet all technical needs and requirements, 5 subgroups were created as follows. 1, recorders group. 2, accident site group. 3, operations, responsible for crew, for air traffic control, for airline information and metrology. 4, aircraft and systems. 5, medical and for forensic. This is the 5th one. The committee is undertaking its work in accordance with Annex 13 to Chicago Convention, which is consistent with the Egyptian law number 28. All groups who are working in parallel are currently in the information gathering phase. We are still in the information gathering phase. Since Wednesday, visits to the accident site were hampered by bad weather. As soon as the weather improves, future visits will be arranged. The wreckage will be recovered to a safe and secure place in Cairo for further examination for each part, during which metallurgy specialists will be involved. The committee will recover the aircraft system computers, which have a special non-volatile memory. Observations of the committee until today. 1, debris is scattered over a wide area, more than 13 kilometers in length, which is consistent with an in-flight breakup. Some parts of the wreckage are missing, and it is hoped to locate them in the incoming days. 2, The initial observation of the aircraft wreckage does not yet allow for identifying the origin of the in-flight breakup. 3. The flight recorders were recovered on the first day of the accident and they were successfully downloaded. The preliminary review of the FDR flight data recorder indicates the following. Takeoff time, UTC time, is 3 hours, 50 minutes, and 6 seconds. With recording stopped at UTC time, 4 hours, 13 minutes, and 20 seconds. So duration from takeoff to the end of recordings is 23 minutes and 14 seconds. Last recorded altitude is 30,000 feet and 888 feet, while the aircraft is still in climbing mode. Last recorded airspeed is 281 knots, with autopilot 1 was engaged until the end of recordings. 4. The CVR was successfully downloaded and the first listening was done. Although the CVR team is still in the phase of writing the transcript, which will take time to finalize, a noise was heard in the last second of the CVR recording. A spectral analysis will be carried out by specialized labs in order to identify the nature of this noise. The committee noted media reports and analysis, some of which claim to be based on official intelligence, which favors a certain scenario for the cause of the accident. The committee was not provided with any information or evidence in this regard. The committee urged the sources of such reports to provide it with all information that could help us to undertake our mission. 6. The committee is considering with a great attention all possible scenarios for the cause of the accident and did not reach till the moment any conclusion in this regards. Thank you.